Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today is National Banana Pudding Day. Usually it's very hard for me to follow these kind of days, but since I already made this banana pudding, so I thought this is the right day to share this recipe. This is actually Magnolia's Bakery original recipe which they shared on their Instagram page, and I am just recreating not only their classic banana pudding but Nutella banana pudding as well. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First taking a stand mixture bowl and adding a whole can of condensed milk with some drinking water. And today I am exactly following the Magnolia bakery recipe, the same ratio and the same ingredients. With the whisk attachment, I am mixing it until condensed milk is completely combined with the water. Then adding Jello brand vanilla, instant vanilla pudding in there. Make sure it's instant. Just add the whole pack and whisk for on a medium speed for at least 2 minutes until all the powder is completely mixed through with the condensed milk mixture. Mix it with the spatula. Make sure there's no powder remaining. Transfer it onto a bowl, and then recipe calls for now it will go in the fridge. Recipe calls for it stay in the fridge for like 2 hours till overnight, but it was completely set in at 30 minutes. That's what I did. Now let's go to the next step, taking stand mixture bowl again and adding heavy whipping cream. With the whisk attachment, I am whisking it until it stiff peak forms. It should be stiff when you check it. The whisk, the peaks should be stiff. Mix well and bring out your pudding. Here you can see the consistency. It's extra thick, so just mix it again and then transfer this pudding onto your whipping cream, and with the very light hand start folding until pudding is completely mixed through with the whipping cream. And you can do this into your stand mixture as well. Just mix it onto the lowest setting until it's completely combined. And then your creamy delicious vanilla pudding is ready. Since I'm making two different flavors, so I divided this pudding mixture into two equal bowls. And let's go to our next step. We need vanilla wafers, so that's what original recipe calls, and that's what I'm using. These are plain vanilla flavored small cookies, and today I am making them into individual serving, but you can make this into a big trifle bowl as well. So just the first layer is vanilla wafers. Just arrange it at the bottom of your bowl, and then arrange sliced banana pennies on top of it, and then we will add the prepared vanilla pudding. So for one individual serving, I just add a heaped tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of vanilla pudding for each layer. Then repeat the layer, add the vanilla wafers, then banana slices, and then top it off with again 2 tablespoons of banana pudding. You can smooth the top with the help of spoon, and that's how one individual serving banana pudding is ready. As here you can see all the layers are showing up. It's exactly like Magnolia Bakery one, and I'm so excited to see those layers. Now let's go to our Nutella flavor banana pudding. So same layers, vanilla wafers with the bananas, and here goes the Nutella on top of it. Then layer the same way with some pudding, vanilla wafers, bananas, and more Nutella, and follow the same procedure like we did for our vanilla flavor pudding. I made this on August 14 to celebrate the Pakistan Day. So I just add green food color into my pudding to give it this look. This is exactly same classic banana pudding but just green in color. I made some in little bowl as well, so thought to share it with you guys. Just follow the same procedure, pudding layers, 2-3 layers, and then for garnishing, the original recipe or Magnolia Bakery, they just crush vanilla wafer on top and then decorate with the slice of bananas. That's what I did. But for a Nutella one, I take a little bit of pudding and swirl the Nutella on top of the pudding, and that's how I decorated. Now this needs to be chilled, and so they goes in the fridge for at least 12 hours or overnight, so vanilla wafers will get softened and it will give you a cake-like consistency, and that's what exactly we want. I shared this pudding with my friends' family as well, and they said they exactly taste like Magnolia Bakery one, and my family thoroughly enjoyed it. Their favorite is of course the Nutella one. So if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. And please enjoy this National Banana Pudding Day. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.